Hi, if your AirPods on the Sennheiser HD 4.40 BT headphones look like this, don't worry. Today I will show you how to easily replace AirPods with new replacement leather pads. If you don't like leather type AirPods because they wear out faster and make your ears sweat, I recommend checking out my previous video on how to replace leather AirPods with Velour type pads. Removing the AirPods is very simple. Grab the pad by the edge and pull it off. They are attached to the headphones with the help of these small grooves. This way you can remove both AirPods easily. I'm still waiting for my new AirPods to arrive, but in the meantime I will demonstrate how to put these same pads back on. When you get your new AirPods, it's important to stretch the edge slightly, as this will make attaching the AirPods easier. After that, insert as much of the AirPod edge into the headphone groove as possible. Be sure to hold the part you've already inserted firmly with your other hand while pulling the rest of the edge into place. If you don't hold the insert edge, it will slip out of the groove and you will keep doing it endlessly. Once the entire edge is in place, you can rotate the AirPod slightly to make it fit better. The AirPod cushion seam should face downward. You can use the same method to attach the second AirPod, and that's it. Wait for your new replacement AirPods and you too can refresh your headphones. The link to the new replacement pads is in the video description. Good luck!